Make a great choice today with the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, keyless start, Sirius XM radio, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.